Good morning, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 2026 Tesla Model Y, full front, XPEL Ultimate Plus PPF with the mirrors, window film XR Plus, and rock chip guards that I designed that go all the way to the front. And they run along this line here, all the way up and around. And we also did the windshield protection film. That's on the outside, not window tint on the inside for heat. This is for windshield protection for rock damage. So let's take a look at our work and what we do here at Clearbrook, North Dallas. Most clients out there think that you print a pattern and you'll have an image of the pattern running all the way along the edges. We don't do that. We make ours custom so they wrap and you don't see any evidence of the pattern. Everything's wrapped in all these edges. These moldings come off, everything's underneath, the cameras come out, everything's underneath. We wrap all the way inside this fender where it meets the door. Up here where the A-pillar meets, fully wrapped in, no line on the outside, all the way around, corners wrapped. The full edge on the hood, all the way around, 100% fully wrapped. No lines. And then our bumper, everything gets wrapped in. All the lights, under the lights, down below, over here, everything's fully wrapped in. This edge is fully wrapped in. So you have 100% protection. You have no evidence of the film to take away from the appearance of the car. But having a wrapped edge is vital because as you towel dry the car, wear and tear from weather and road conditions will cause the edges, if they're exposed, to be seen and start to peel. That's not a warrantable item, that's wear and tear. So there it is. That's a simple full front with a rock chip guard and the windshield protection. Crystal clear, nothing to see there, but it protects from rock impacts from cracking your window. So there it is, 2026 Juniper, Tesla Model Y. Take care. Thanks for watching. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com, ClearBrownNorthDallas@gmail. 214-414-3809. Sorry, somebody's trying to interrupt me. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and follow us on YouTube here at Clearbrook, North Dallas.